Hey, welcome to Lace Cottage. We are located in Collierville, Tennessee, and we have such a fun thing to share with you guys today. We're going to do our first ever smock and sew along. That's a tongue twister, but it's a smock and sew along for the holiday season. So I've got my notes here, so I don't forget to tell you guys anything, but I'm going to go through these and explain to you what that's all about. So we're going to start our smock and sew along on Friday, October the 4th, and we're going to end it on Friday, November the 15th, just in time for you guys to get all your holiday pictures taken and before Thanksgiving, so you don't have any stresses about getting your dress finished before the end of the holiday season or before it's upon you. So you might ask, what is a smock and sew along? So a smock and sew along is going to take you from cutting the dress out, smocking the dress, all the way through the process of hemming it and it being a ready to wear garment before the holiday season is up. And you're going to get weekly videos, a graduated progression of videos that takes you through each one of those weekly processes to try to keep you on track to get from beginning to end. So we're also going to have a dedicated Facebook group that is where you can join the Facebook group, and that's where you'll get the videos every week. It'll also come in a newsletter to you that you sign up for, and you'll get a video and some description. And each week, Leslie and Rose and Kittie are going to be here to take you through that whole process. So we're super excited about it. These ladies have worked really, really hard on this dress. I had nothing to do with the dress, so I can't claim anything. I just have the notes and the video. So they're going to take it from here. I'm going to let Leslie go through all of the dress with you and describe it to you. And then we'll tell you guys about a really great prize we're going to have at the end. Take it away.
So we'll have a couple of fabric options. This is made out of Japanese lawn, specular vogel. The other option is going to be Swiss batiste, Nylona. You can also get the lace package if you want to. If you don't want the lace, you can leave that off for a more casual look. So, and when you get your kit, it will be pleated. All you'll have to do, we'll walk you through blocking it to the size. And it'll be fun, and we'll be done and be over.
Yeah. So you'll get a kit with some options of fabric. In your kit will have also an option of a lace package or not. And you can see that link right here in the post. You can just, when you close out of the video, you can just click the link. It'll try to take you straight to the kit. But the most exciting part is that if you join the Facebook group, or if you're local to us here, all you have to do is show us a picture of your completed dress, and we're going to give you until November 30th to complete it. I probably should back up here and say, if you miss a week, you've got something going on in your family, or there's lots of soccer games this weekend, or whatever might be going on, and you can't catch up to what week we're on, the videos don't go away. So even if you don't finish it to Christmas 2026, you can still finish the dress with us, because the videos are going to be there forever for you to access as part of this Facebook group that they'll be in, and the newsletters that you'll get with the link to the videos. So we're going to give you till November the 30th to finish, to be eligible for a prize that we're going to do for the smock and sew along. I cannot get that out. So the prize is a $250 gift card. We're going to draw a name from all the people who finish by November 30th, and you'll get a $250 gift card to spend on anything in Lace Cottage, on anything you want. It could be Liberty fabric, lawn fabric, I don't know, buttons. You could have $250 worth of buttons. It doesn't matter, whatever it is that you might want. So, and you can order from us online, or you can come in the shop and order. You can submit the pictures on Facebook. They can submit them in a text message. They can submit them in an email to us, and you can submit them by coming in the store, and we'll take a picture of it. We just need a quick picture to show that you're really finished. Okay. So we want you guys to join the smock and sew along and hang out with us. And we're so excited about it for this year. And you're going to learn so much from Leslie and Rose and Kittie, and we can't wait for you guys to participate with us. So come on, smock along, and we'll see you guys over the holiday season.